What if we could power the entire world, not with fleeting sunlight or unpredictable winds, but with the inexhaustible primal heat radiating from beneath our very feet? Imagine a future where energy scarcity is a relic of the past, fueled by the planet itself. This isn't science fiction. It's the tantalizing promise of geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is, at its core, heat from the Earth. It originates from the planet's formation, the friction of tectonic plates, and the slow, steady decay of radioactive isotopes deep within the mantle and core. This immense reservoir of thermal energy is constantly replenished, making it a truly renewable resource. Traditional geothermal plants harness this heat by drilling wells into underground reservoirs of hot water or steam. This superheated fluid is then brought to the surface, where its energy drives turbines to generate electricity. It's a clean, reliable, and continuous power source, unlike solar or wind, which are intermittent. But how deep can we actually go? The Earth's crust, where most current geothermal operations reside, averages about 30 kilometers thick. Below that lies the mantle, a vast layer of semi-molten rock extending nearly 3,000 kilometers down, and then the core, a superheated sphere of iron and nickel. Current drilling technology struggles to penetrate much beyond 10 to 12 kilometers. The Kola Super Deep Borehole, the deepest artificial point on Earth, only reached 12.2 kilometers. At these depths, temperatures soar, and pressures become immense, pushing the limits of even the most advanced materials and engineering. The challenge isn't just reaching the heat, it's efficiently extracting it. Even if we could drill into the mantle, the rock isn't a liquid ocean of magma waiting to be tapped. It's mostly solid, albeit ductile, and the heat transfer mechanisms are complex. We need a way to create a vast underground heat exchanger. Iceland stands as a shining example of geothermal potential. Situated on the mid-Atlantic ridge, a highly active volcanic zone, Iceland has abundant shallow geothermal resources. Over 90% of its homes are heated by geothermal energy, and a significant portion of its electricity comes from these plants. However, Iceland's geological fortune is unique. Most of the world isn't sitting on a volcanic hotspot. For widespread adoption, we need to access deeper, hotter resources in less geologically active regions. This means pushing the boundaries of drilling and heat extraction technology far beyond current capabilities. The global average geothermal gradient is about 25 to 30 degrees Celsius per kilometer of depth. To reach temperatures suitable for efficient power generation, often above 200 degrees Celsius, we'd need to drill several kilometers deep in most places. This is where the current technological and economic barriers lie. What if we could bypass conventional drilling altogether? Enter the realm of futuristic technologies like plasma drills. These experimental devices use superheated plasma to vaporize rock, potentially allowing us to bore through incredibly hard and hot formations with unprecedented speed and depth. Another promising avenue is enhanced geothermal systems, or EGS. This involves injecting water into hot, dry rock formations, fracturing the rock to create artificial reservoirs, and then circulating the water to extract heat. It's like creating an artificial hot spring where none existed naturally. EGS could unlock geothermal energy in vast areas previously deemed unsuitable. It requires precise geological understanding and advanced hydraulic fracturing techniques, but the potential energy yield is enormous. Imagine a world where every nation could tap into its own deep geothermal reserves. The Earth's core is a colossal natural nuclear reactor, slowly cooling over billions of years. Its immense heat output dwarfs all human energy consumption. We are living on a planet with an internal furnace capable of powering civilization for millennia. The journey to harness this ultimate power source is fraught with engineering challenges, but the potential rewards are staggering. It's a testament to human ingenuity that we even dare to dream of tapping into the very heart of our world. The planet itself could be humanity's most powerful, sustainable, and awe-inspiring energy reactor.